everyone, my name is Leminhchau. Today I will talk about clean birds. Clean birds talk about what do we do every day to stay clean. Every day we use soap and shampoo to wash our body. We use towel to get dry and use toothbrush and some toothpaste to brush our teeth. Most animals use their own way to stay clean. Like birds. Birds use the beak to take out the dust part to stay the body clean. This bird lives in Tanzania, Africa. Do you know what is that bird? Birds have 25,000 feathers. In the feather is have oil. The oil helps the feather get more strong and stop them getting wet. So they can normally easy to get home far away when it's raining. Now let's talk about woodpeckers. Woodpeckers like to clean other animals like giraffe. They use the beak and take out the small pieces food in between the giraffe teeth. Sometimes they clean the giraffe ear too. Woodpeckers do that to keep the giraffe stay clean. Woodpeckers almost clean zebra, rhinos, and buffaloes too. Now, animals have own way to stay clean. What do we do more to stay clean? Thank you for listening. Goodbye.